Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at Form 1 Mathematics under the topic Decimals. But before we look at this question, if you have just come across this channel for the first time, please take a second and click the subscribe button so that anytime we produce a video like this, you will automatically be notified. So we are going to solve this question by eliminating the decimal points first. The number of decimal points in the numerator are 2, but in the denominator we have more, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the more decimal points are going to determine. So in this case, to eliminate the decimal points, we are going to use the ones in the denominator and we multiply by 1 million to eliminate the 6 decimal points. That is the same thing we are going to do with the numerator. And in this case now, if we just leave out the square root sign first, the 2 decimal points in the numerator are going to go with 2 decimal points, and in this case now we are going to have 325 multiplied by 42 multiplied by 24 multiplied by, we have 10,000, everything divided by, we have 13 multiplied by 84 multiplied by 3. At this point now we can simplify. 13 goes to itself once, it goes to 325 25 times. Then 42 goes to itself once, it goes to 84 2 times. 2 goes to itself once, it goes to 24 12 times. Then 3 goes to itself once, it goes to 24 4 times. In this case we are going to have 25 times 4 times 10,000. Remember, everything is under the root sign, and this one is going to be equal to, if you take 25, you multiply by 4, you multiply by 10,000, this one gives us 1 million. And if you take the square root of 1 million, the answer is going to be equal to 1,000. That is the answer to that particular question. Let us look at the next question. That is part B. We have 23.4 minus 2 into 5.2 plus 5.3, everything divided by 3.2 times 1.2. So let us look at the numerator first. And the numerator has 23.4 minus 2 into 5.2 plus 5.3. So this is like we have 23.4 minus 2 into, we are going to use BODMAS, and in this case we add the brackets first. 5.2 plus 5.3 will give us 10.5. We move down, we are going to have 23.4 minus, if you take 2, you multiply by 10.5, we are going to get 21. And if you take 23.4, you minus 21, this one is going to give us 2.4. Having done that, we can now join the numerator and the denominator. So if we take the numerator over the denominator, we are going to have 2.4, everything divided by 3.2, we multiply by 1.2. At this point now we can eliminate the decimal points. The denominator has 2 decimal points while the numerator has 1, so we are going to use the number of decimal points in the denominator. So to eliminate the decimal points in the denominator, we multiply by 100. We also do the same with the numerator. So 10 will go with 1 decimal point, so that we have 24 multiplied by 10 divide by, we have now 3, that is 32 multiplied by 12, since 100 removes the 2 decimal points. If we simplify at this point, 12 goes to itself once, it goes to 24 2 times. Then 2 goes to itself once, it goes to 32 16 times. So by 2, 2 goes to 10 5 times. 2 goes or divides 16 8 times. And our final answer is going to be 5/8 as a fraction in its simplest form.